Okay, this is called Avenida de Venceslau de Morais, and it goes down even further down to that direction, down that direction, and then down. This is the Era Preta neighborhood, which is kind of near the border. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going down our target street, which is that main street down that direction. So that would be the end of it. But we're just going to go down and see what this one looks like down this way. And I haven't filmed in here for a while, so this will be the first time in a while. So stay tuned for that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so let's go check this out. I think this street is kind of a long street that goes through, it's kind of an industrial area, but you can see a McDonald's over there and a KFC straight ahead. And they also have a new one, a Jollibee as well. And all these tall buildings everywhere, which is kind of interesting. Bank of China. Yeah, actually I haven't been over here in a few years, I don't think. So I do have some other video footage of it, but it's been a little while. That's kind of what it looks like. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. And here's the street name right here. Okay, so let's keep on navigating down. Got a KFC here. Hello. Oh, it's okay. Donation. Oh. So they kind of got a little group here. We're gonna walk. That might be our church group. That goes south. That direction is south right there. Okay, there's even a Starbucks up here. I wonder if they got planned to have a Starbucks. So I kind of think of this as an industrial zone, but you do have a lot of apartments here. There's a post office across the street over there. Starbucks. Let's see this Starbucks real quick. So yeah, looks like it's kind of a new place. And you got a Jollibee. Sorry, robot. So it's gonna go down to the end of the street, and then I'm gonna end this video. But at least you kind of got a taste for this other area. A Nike shop too. I wonder if they got planned for this area. It does seem like they brought in some different restaurants and such. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So this will be kind of a short street. I apologize for that. Got a bus there. So that's basically where we came down. And I gotta get something to eat, but if we kept going, it'd be down that way. We're gonna walk the other direction. So we're still on our same street. We're still walking down our same street. The battery overheated. So we're gonna walk down to the end and just kind of conclude the street. So we basically went one direction, and we didn't finish all the way. I think actually we almost finished the other direction because that was going to turn into a different street. But this one is still, I don't even know how to pronounce that word, but basically this one will go we're not too far from the border, and then there's all these Aeropreta neighborhoods coming up to the right of me, and then to the left is more southern direction, and those streets go into like an area called Gosida, which is a little bit it's a little bit nicer area. This one always feels a little bit run down, but it's all right. But yeah, Aeropreta. So I think Aeropreta is like basically the name of an area, and I think it's like I don't know the meaning exactly. But we are going to come up to the end here, and near the end we do have these nice trees and a park as well. So you can see some guys over here hanging out, and they're probably doing some mahjong maybe? I don't know. But I think we're going to come down to the end of the street, and we're just going to try to get out of the sun a little bit there. Then I think this street turns into a different street altogether. And we're gonna go down a little bit. A lot of mechanics and car stuff everywhere in here. We got a mechanic shop. And yeah, all of that is kind of this Aeropreta, this neighborhood of Aeropreta. Then our street, our target street, is basically this street right here. But actually this is kind of nice right here with all these trees, now that the sun is away from us a little bit. So we're just gonna come over here briefly. And that was our target street right there, Avenida de Venceslau de Morais. I don't even know the origin of that. And then they got some games in this area. And then we're gonna come out, so we're at this Aeropreta neighborhood. And that was the end of our street. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.